Hi, welcome to my office. Kind of nice. New desk, no computer. This is good. And I'm really happy. I've got everything I need. I've got my guitar top that I'm working on. I've got a cup of tea. What could be better? This is terrific. Well, speaking of good things, I just got off the phone and reconnected with a good old friend of mine that I haven't talked with for a while, and had a great conversation with him, and it was just such a delight to reconnect again. I'm so happy that that happened. And the other thing that I want to tell you that is not so good, not like making a phone call to an old friend, is it snowed last night. Will you give it up? I mean, come on, it's over. Winter is done. You can kick and scream all you want. It's like a fish out of water with its tail going back and forth. Winter, you're beat. Give it up. We need warm weather now. That's what we want. Well, what I'm doing here, just so you know, I have glued all the bracing into place. These are all of the braces that we have underneath, as you can see there. Peekaboo. There you go. Now, what I've got here is I have used this plane, I have used this plane, and I have used this spoke shave, and I've used this spoke shave. You see that tiny little thing there? And I've used these two chisels, mostly, to bring this down to where I want it, to scallop it here. It's not all finished working on here. I will take a piece of dowel that I have here and a piece of sandpaper, and I will sand that, and I will get that just, looking ever so pretty, just coming up and flowing and shaped like the side. And that's what I'm doing now, because when you shape this thing and you bring it down flat, it's not very strong. So what you do is you end up planing it with something like this along the side, this way and this way, so that you in fact have a piece of wood like this, and when you finish planing it, it's now like this, coming to a point. Now, the reason for that is we knocked this off, so now it's more like this. That's what I was doing here when we started this video today. This is a stronger joint and a stronger brace than one that is like this. A flat brace just bows, it bends. You can take a flat piece of wood and you can bend it. You can bend, I won't do it, but you can bend, well, I'm doing it a little bit here with this ruler. So you can bend things like that. But if I wanted to take this ruler, which is tall now, and bend it this way, I'd have to have muscles like the Green Hulk guy, like it's never going to happen. So that's why you do this. You get better support, and it's light, and it's good. So that's what I'm in the process of doing. And because I'm such a fanatic on making sure we have this thing tidy and clean inside, I like to go along here with the sandpaper. I will hit this thing with 120 grit. I then hit this with a sandpaper that is 320. I then move to a 400, and then I'll probably hit it with a 600. I want this all smooth in here and all the bracing nice and smooth. And then this afternoon I will sign in here, somewhere around here. And then maybe, if this all goes well, I will put it on the rim up behind me and glue it in place so that we're all ready to go with the back, perhaps in the next video. So that's going to be it for me today. I just wanted you to see this because I think it's important for you to know, and I think it's important for Winter to know it's over, get lost, take a hike, and I will get back to work here and see what we can achieve with our sandpaper here and make this nice and smooth. I don't like any marks on the braces. It's just, I think I know where some people in our family get their love of perfection from. Yeah, I know, you think it's me. It's not. It's not. It's their mother. Oh, well, what can I say? Well, I would go and eat some chocolate cake right now, but I don't have any. I'd go and have a donut right now, but I don't have any of those either. In fact, I don't have anything other than good old English breakfast tea, decaf. So get yourself a cup, enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the links down below. And we're going to be using a lot of Starbond glue, so if you're following along and building along with me, you better order your glue now. And when you do, make sure you use my name because you get a 15% discount at checkout. So there you go, folks. See you in the next video. Bye.